Hi there, welcome to Gosia Cano Fitness. Today I have a core strengthening routine for you, and this routine is specifically designed for those who have experienced lower back before or those who are new to exercise. So the reason why I really wanted to do this video is because one of the main reasons why people stop exercising or are hesitant to begin an exercise routine is because of lower back pain or lower back injury. And lower back pain is caused mainly by weak abdominal muscles and also muscle imbalances between your abdominal muscles and lower back muscles. And just to let you know that your lower back, your abdominal muscles, your obliques, these are all core muscles. This is the base. So this is what we're going to focus on today. And I encourage you to do this routine 2 to 3 times per week, because it will strengthen all the core muscles and it will protect your lower back, it will protect you from injuries, it will give you a better posture, it will improve your athletic performance, and also will make activities of daily living much easier. So without any further ado, let's get this workout on the road. Just grab your mat and let's get started with a warm-up. So you can do this whole routine barefoot. We're gonna start on the floor and get yourself in a tabletop position. Your knees underneath the hip bone. Place your hands underneath the shoulders. Make your back flat and start breathing in and dropping the spine. And as you breathe out, round the spine. So this is the cat-cow stretch. You may be familiar with it from yoga. So breathe in and then breathe out. And aim for 10 times. Just nice and slowly. This is your warm-up. We have 3 exercises for the warm-up. In. And last 2. And 1 more. And come back to neutral position. Exercise number 2. Bring your hips to the side and look at your hip bone. And now do the same to the other side. So you're creating like a smiley shape with your torso. You go side to side, or you log into a tail like a dog. Go side to side, take your time. It gives you stretch in your obliques. So looking at the hip bone. Few more. And last one, and come back to the center. Just shake off the wrist for a little bit. And next exercise is called bird dog. So you're gonna bring your left arm, right leg. First get your balance here. And from here, you're gonna bring your elbow into the thigh and extend it fully. Your thumb should be pointed up. Your elbow does not have to touch the thigh, but just try to bring it into the midline. And now you're starting to engage that stomach area, starting to squeeze the abdominal area. And then coming back to a nice straight line. Take your time with it. Feel the stretch going from your fingertips all the way to your toes. Nice big stretch. Let's do 2 more here. And 1 more. And place the hand down, other side. Right arm, left leg, get your balance first. And I'll bring it in. So this is also a balancing exercise for you. Stretch it out. This is a great warm-up exercise. And you also start to feel a little bit on the shoulder. Thumb is pointed up. Try to look at your thumb as you go up. And give me 3 more beautiful ones. 2. 1 more. And come back to tabletop. All right, stretch out your wrist. Now we're gonna get into the workout. We have 6 exercises. I will go through them with you once. If you're a beginner, once is enough. But you may repeat this whole routine 2 to 3 times. Okay, so from a plank position, so you're gonna go on your hands. Make sure your butt is nice and flat. You're gonna bring your hips up. So like going to downward dog and then coming back to plank. So it's not a huge movement, but we're really focusing on aligning the whole back so it's nice and straight. If you bring your heels down, great. If you cannot, that's okay too. My heels don't touch the ground. I need a little bit more warm up still. And as you come up, squeeze the core. On the way down, focus on your lower back. Make sure you're not dipping it, so you're coming back to a straight line. Once you know this routine, once you know the exercises, please do it in front of a mirror so you can see if your back is straight, or have somebody watch you and make sure that your butt is straight. So this one, we're doing 10 to 15 times. I lost count, but that's okay. Let's do 2 more. But that's your aim, 10 to 15 times. Last one. And bring your feet down. And now you're gonna stand up. So roll up slowly, all the way up to standing. Bring your feet about hip width apart and bring your arms overhead. Keep your elbows as straight as you can. Bend to the side, come back to the center. Bend to the other side. Keep your arms extended up overhead and your hands, your arms as close to your ears as possible. Just moving sideways, so you're not swaying forward and back. You're going side to side. You're working your oblique muscles. And if you get stronger, you can grab some hand weights, keep them overhead, and you will feel a nice burn. So this one, we're aiming for 20 to 30 in total. Keep going. So imagine you're standing between 2 walls, and you can only move side to side. You cannot move forward or back. And as you're standing here, your knees are soft, so you're not locking your knees. And I just realized I was squeezing my hands. I think I was just imagining I was holding hand weights. So extend it up. Nice big stretch. Last 2. And 1 more. Okay, bring your hands down. Exercise number 3. It's a standing crunch. So you bring your hands up. We're not doing kickboxing today, but you can still bring your hands up as if you were in a guard stance. From here, you're gonna crunch up. So you're gonna pretend that you're doing a crunch. Well, you are doing a crunch, but it's a standing crunch. And you're alternating your lift, your knees up. Go slowly, because when you go fast, you work the momentum of the muscle, and I want you to feel the core area. I want you to feel that stomach. Squeeze it in. 10 more. So this one we're doing 20 to 30 repetitions. Keeping your stomach engaged. 6 more. 5, and put a smile on your face. 4, 3, 2, 1 more. And next exercise is alternating deadlifts. 1 leg deadlifts. So you're gonna get your balance. Doesn't matter what leg you want to start. Come down as low as you can. Stand up straight. So now we're focusing more on the lower back area. You're gonna feel your hips also, but again, everything's connected. Your glutes and your hamstrings are extension of the lower back, so it also is part of the core, so it's important to work that area as well. Get some entertainment. My cats are fighting. So just go to the point where you feel comfortable, where you feel like you can still hold the balance. And when you lift the leg behind you, lift it as high as you can. So again, it's up to you how high you want to lift it. How much your body allows you to go. This one, the aim is 20 to 30 in total, so 10 to 15 per leg. Always come back to the standing position. And keep your knee soft, you don't want to lock it. Let's do 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. And we're back down to the ground. We will hold a plank position for 30 seconds. And you have a choice between holding it on your hands, so high plank, or coming down to the elbows into a low plank. So high plank is a bit easier. Low plank is the next level. So choose where you can. Are you ready? Okay, let's go for 30 seconds. I'm going on to my elbows. And 30 seconds. Here we go. So make sure when you're in a plank, your elbows are right under your shoulders. Everything's aligned. Your butt is aligned. So you're not sticking it up and you're not dipping it down either. Plank is one of the best exercises to strengthen your core. So do lots of planking. 5 seconds left. Keep holding, keep breathing, and time. Now you can lay down on your belly for the last exercise of this routine. This is called Superman. So extend your arms to the front, extend your legs. You're gonna lift one arm with the opposite leg and then come down. So lift, squeeze, lift and squeeze. So you're focusing on squeezing your butt and your lower back area. And the aim here is to do 20 to 30 repetitions. So 10 to 15 per side. Try not to lift your head too much. So try to keep your chin down at the ground. And just lift arm and the leg. Arm and the opposite leg. Keep going. And breathe. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. And just a quick stretch here. Child pose is one of the best stretches for your lower back. So come into child pose. Relax your head. Let's stay here for a few seconds. Just relax the body. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. And one more time, breathe in and breathe out. And that's all for this routine. In the next video, I'm going to show you more advanced exercises for core strengthening. If you like this video, please share with your friends because we want all your friends to be fit and healthy just like you. And just to let you know that best fitness results come from right amount of exercise and clean eating. So click down below, grab your free 3-day guide for clean eating for busy people just like you. And please subscribe to Gosia Cano Fitness and I will talk to you soon. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Gosia Cano Fitness and like her videos.